to the spot. I'm Emily and I'm going to walk you through the Sea Ray SLX 260. Here on the back of the boat we have a transom wash down hose right here. Make sure none of the boards get dirty. We have this extended sun pad with, you can either use it as a cooler to put all your hydrants or dry storage. And under here we have even more storage. I mean, you can fit boards, life jackets, your picnic, whatever you want in here. We have beautiful accent lights, a flag kit. Right here, this is a nice little rider console. You got your Fusion stereo, you got a charger, and a cup holder for your drink that you can get out of this cooler. We have a huge walkway where you can either shut it off, make sure kids or dogs don't get out of the boat. Back here in the boat, we have beautiful L-shaped seating, and we have the cocktail table to go along. This is a great entertainment area. We got 4 cup holders back here. Under here, we got room for a cooler. And as we walk forward in the boat, you notice all of our in-floor storage. Up here in the helm, we have dual captain's chairs. We got wireless charging. We got beautiful dual screen Simrad setup. When you're on a long day, you got this awesome bathroom. Make a little pit stop. Walking to the front of the boat, you'll notice that we have a windshield wiper. Super nice for rainy days and you're just trying to get to the beach, take cover. Up here we have seating for 2, even a little bit more. Here you got cup holders, and in front of the boat we have our electric powered windlass. Looking at the tower, we have a power folding arch, so it makes it super easy to get under bridges, whatever you need to do. We have this boat displayed here at Marine Maximus Law, so come take a look.